Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to turn on dark mode on ChatGPT. Why would you want to know how to turn on dark mode on ChatGPT? Well, maybe it is your first time using ChatGPT and not sure how to turn on dark mode on ChatGPT. So today I am going to show you how to turn on dark mode on ChatGPT. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Turning on dark mode on ChatGPT is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for all devices. Let me show how you will turn on dark mode on ChatGPT. First of all, open ChatGPT account in your Chrome, and now here is my ChatGPT home screen. And then click on three dots next to your email, and now click on settings. And then in this page, click on system next to theme, and then select dark, and in your ChatGPT dark mode has been turned on. So there you go. If you were wondering how to turn on dark mode on ChatGPT, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.